In a proud moment not only for Bhoi district but the state of Meghalaya in general, a lady arm wrestler of Bhoi district, Margaret Pathau, will be representing the Indian contingent to the World Championship Arm Wrestling to be held in Turkey later this year. The feat came after Margaret Pathau excelled as champion and bagged 4 medals from the recently concluded National Level Arm Wrestling Championship 2022 held in Hyderabad. The medals which Pathau bagged included the 60 kg left and right category and the Master Class left and right category. Following the laurels brought by Margaret Pathau at the National Level Championship Arm Wrestling held at Hyderabad, the Dorbar Shnong of Umsning Proper B along with the Seng Longkme Umsning Pullun but Kaseng Longkme Umsning Proper B felicitated the winner and sent their best wishes to Pathau for her World Championship to be held at Turkey.
Nado balami na ye long kami jong ka proper free proper be ke jong ni but kulun kra away lingkat I rangga shnong badan buram but secretary chairman jong ka shnong tahu insning di kra away kumsham la eno yang la dan lingkat pat ngala do balami na yin lawan ban ai tien jing ter ku ke do bat ki song yang bangan yo kedang kamu kanti kale kawan dia nado bangami kan no da baju so man bakra bo blame sham le no ni la koi sok chate bat ni la koi ka jaka bapiang ni la yale stem baro ki khatram ki no yale ka ni la yo bangan ra khatra kali ki medals kata balong khapai kali ki gold line kali ki silver but some kali ki bronze.
With an objective to reduce